Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to redeem a Roblox gift card. So this is very easy to do. Just follow the video until the end to find out how you can actually go ahead and do it. But with that being said, let's just go ahead and get right into it. So you're going to want to go to roblox.com and be on the homepage, guys. And basically from here, you're going to head to the left-hand section with all the options here. Just make your way to the gift card section. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And you can see here we are now on the Roblox gift card section. Now from here, go to the top right hand corner over here and press redeem card. Now this is going to send you to the web page that will actually let you enter in your Roblox gift card that you actually got, and you can actually redeem it here. Now let's just say by any reason you do not have the gift card section, just pretty much search up roblox.com/redeem and then just pretty much go from there, and you should be redirected to the same website. So you put your code in here, redeem it, and then you will get your funds from the Roblox gift card. So it's as easy as that, guys. But with that being said, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and with that being said, I'll see you guys for the next video.